Hi guys, it's Mylene again. So tonight we're gonna be doing an unboxing, a little present to self. I need this for vlogging. Okay. Yes, I got myself a smartphone stabilizer. It's a gimbal. As reviewed by iJustin, this was pretty much a gimbal which is very okay with vlogging using your smartphone. Okay, so it comes with this pouch, grip tripod, greasy strap, power cable, magnetic phone clamp, and the manual guidelines. So there is an app you have to download using App Store or Android. It's in color gray. It's like a smartphone. And we have this manual. What's that? I'm not sure though. And this, the exact color is Athens gray. I love gray these days. Okay, so in reality it's a lighter gray, but on phone it's like dark one. It's heavy. It's a bit heavy. I think more than 500 grams. Does it say how much is the weight? Alright, DJI. So from here, everything is gray. The strap, cable. What is this? Riser pad. Ah, okay. For iPhone 7, 8, and Samsung. So there's actually a bigger one or what? Okay. I think that the difference from OM4 to OM5, which was released this year, can actually have this extended that we have to figure out. USB type cable, and this one. Oh, the pouch. Yep, the pouch. Okay. Oh. Oh. So this is like the magnetic one, and attached in here there's an instruction, phone camera direction. I think we have to put first the phone. Okay, phone camera direction. Whoa. Wow. What? Watch this, guys. What? We have to test this outside. I'm gonna show you when I'm not sure how far can we go. Anyhow, I figured that out already. Ha ha ha. I have to check the other ones. As for Justin, it's lighter, but for me, I find it heavier here. Yep. And yep, it's for maneuvering which direction you like. Ooh. Yep, so as you can see from who wants to do TikTok now? See? Okay, so I want it like that. How will it stay like that? I'm not sure. Maneuver it. There you go. Yep. Now I forgot to attach this tripod. Oh my god, for me it's already heavy. I'm not sure. So it's a bit taller actually once you assemble the tripod. It's already tall, it's already high. For selfies. Oop. Ha ha ha. Yep. So I have to figure out how this will follow my direction. Hey!